All right, so today we worked very, very closely with the book called Alma and how Alma got her name. Just a second, my computer's dying. Where's the book? Where's the book? Where's the book? The book. Ah, here it is. The book is by... What's up, bud?
I need my iPad.
Why?
I have iPad Studio.
Student coming in.
Because obviously I'm not going to bring my iPad from home.
Take your time.
No, bye.
See you, bud. Have fun.
Okay. If you say so.
Alright, so obviously I'm still in school. So we're working on a book called Alma and How She Got Her Name. This is one of my favorite books for 2019. Came out 2018 and it won the Caldecott Award. Joanna Martinez Neal is becoming one of my favorite illustrators. I love how she uses the images in her book and how she uses simple lines and textiles to really bring out the characters. It's fascinating illustrations, and the words and the message in the book also are just really, really cool. So what I did to start this project, I'm always starting projects. Anyway, so what I did to start this project was I sent out a tweet. If you are not using Twitter as a tool for your classroom, you are truly missing out. I sent a tweet out to some educators just to see if they knew the story of their name, and boy did I get some messages. I think I got over 40 or 50 messages from people who are sharing their stories about how they got their name. And the cool thing about this is that I was able to take these messages and share them with my students. So the first thing we did, obviously, again, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. The first thing we did was we read the story. After we read the story, we really got into what the story was about, what was the meaning behind it, and then I went to Twitter and I asked people, did you know the story of your name? I got X number of messages from multiple people and they told me exactly how they got their name. I was able to take those posts and share them with the class. The class was fascinated. They started to categorize how people got their names, and they started to think about the story of names and how names are so important. And tomorrow what we're going to do is look at our own names, figure out our own stories, and try to dissect them a little bit. The idea is that we are creating something that we can hold on to. Over time, we noticed that names obviously are extremely important, and everyone has that kind of love for their name for a specific reason. We also found out that some people don't enjoy their name, and that's okay as well. What we're going to do is, and I'm going to run you through this process, creating poems about our names that are important, and we're going to try to create those poems into a podcast. So then students will be able to listen to these poems forever, and they will never forget where their name came from. That's it for this week. Another day in the classroom. I'm out. Peace.